Ever pondered the importance of quality in construction and engineering services? In a world where cutting corners has become the norm, GZEP Electricals Limited stands firm in its commitment to excellence, safety, and customer satisfaction. Delving into stories from our satisfied clients, we find Jane, a proud homeowner, who says, "When GZEP Electricals Limited handled my home's electrical and security systems, I was blown away by their attention to detail and professionalism. I felt involved in every step and the end result simply outstanding." Then there's Michael, a business owner who shares, "GZEP Electricals Limited transformed our office space. Their expertise in mechanical and structural engineering is top-notch. They didn't just meet our expectations, they exceeded them. Our services are not limited to commercial spaces. We also cater to diverse facilities like data centers, educational institutions, government buildings, financial establishments, healthcare centers, and industrial complexes. And it doesn't stop there. Our team at GZEP Electricals Limited also specializes in building automations and parking management systems, using advanced technology to optimize spaces and enhance functionality. In the words of another satisfied client, Clara, an administrator at a bustling campus, GZEP Electricals Limited revolutionized our parking system, making it efficient and user-friendly. They made the impossible possible. We believe in creating long-lasting relationships with our clients, providing high-quality services, and engaging them in every process. Our track record in solving complex problems and prioritizing safety is second to none. As we move forward in the ever-evolving world of construction and engineering, GZEP Electricals Limited remains steadfast, bringing to the table its unwavering commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Feel the GZEP Electricals Limited difference. Embrace quality, embrace safety, embrace satisfaction. Don't wait. Visit the GZEP Electricals Limited website today for more information. Your dream project deserves nothing less than the best.